AI in customer service is reshaping the way businesses interact with their customers, delivering enhanced experiences and streamlining support processes. Let's explore the cutting-edge advancements that are revolutionizing customer service. AI-powered chatbots and virtual assistants have become the front line of customer support. These intelligent systems leverage natural language processing and machine learning algorithms to understand customer inquiries and provide prompt and accurate responses. Chatbots are available 24/7, ensuring immediate assistance and reducing customer wait times. Sentiment analysis plays a vital role in understanding customer feedback and emotions. AI algorithms can analyze customer reviews, social media posts, and other forms of feedback to gauge customer sentiment and identify areas for improvement. This valuable insight helps businesses address customer concerns, improve product offerings, and enhance overall customer satisfaction. Voice recognition and natural language processing enable seamless interactions between customers and AI systems. Customers can engage in natural, conversational dialogues, providing voice commands and receiving personalized assistance. These technologies offer convenience and accessibility, catering to diverse customer preferences. Personalized recommendations are a hallmark of AI in customer service. By analyzing customer data and purchase history, AI algorithms can generate tailored recommendations, guiding customers to relevant products and services. This personalized approach not only enhances the customer experience but also drives sales and fosters customer loyalty. In our upcoming videos, we will delve deeper into advancements in AI-driven customer service solutions, such as emotion recognition for personalized support, intelligent routing systems for efficient issue resolution, and proactive assistance based on customer behavior patterns. As the realm of AI in customer service continues to evolve, we invite you to stay tuned for more insights, emerging technologies, and practical applications that can transform the way businesses engage with their customers. Don't miss out on these valuable AI insights that have the potential to revolutionize customer service. Thank you for joining us on this enlightening journey into the world of AI and customer service.